everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, Relax.Cut.Glue. And today we're going to do part 2 of This One's For You, Bud. So we're going to add his airplane images that I harvested and got all ready in the last video to my new glue book for 2021. This is just like my big random glue book. I already took the pages out and I have a video on that already. And I set this here. I made this yesterday. I had so much fun with it. I wanted to show you. This is like, you can feel the texture. It's so cool. Anyways, I love drawing like words and stuff. Anyways, okay. So moving on. So, I love this color pink. It's so pretty. So because the front, like these two pages are connected and I don't usually use this page right here. Well, I did last time. I just put an inspirational quote. I think what my plan is to put his note on here like this. So I will glue that on there eventually, but I do need to cut it down. But I'll do that in another video because that'll take a few minutes. Okay, so turning the page. This will be my first double spread. So let's grab all the big images first. I probably won't be able to use all of these images because there's quite a few, but we'll use as many as we can. That's kind of a big one. And then we have like medium to small, medium. What's this? Oh yeah, and then we have some fussy cut. We'll put the fussy cuts over there. All these cute little airplanes and that guy's head. Oh, and we have that airplane book. Okay, and then we'll put words over here. What's this? This is also words. Lots of words. What's this say? Oh yeah, I kept that because he said good head for an animal. I thought that was funny. Okay, so this is a propeller. These are smaller airplanes. This was just some blue sky in case I needed a filler piece. So we'll put those there. And then the rest of these are, I'm going to put that there. It's technically like a fussy cut item. And then these are all like words. Okay, lots of words. All right, so we'll put that there. Okay, folder goes away. For now, I'm going to keep his note in the folder. Okay, so big images. I definitely know I have this one, and I think I'll do like this one over here. I could do this airstrip like this. I'm not sure if I want to add that because I do have it in smaller. Normally I don't plan out my pages so much. But I do want to make sure that I get like kind of an idea of which ones I want to use first. Could put that like that. And then maybe this. How does this go? Like this. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I kind of like this arrangement I have going. So I'm just going to kind of slide these over. And let's start gluing this big one first. Brand new glue stick even. Wow. Go like this. Put this right on the edge. Smooth out some of these wrinkles. And get this nice and flat. Oops, I'm already getting sticky. There's like a glob of glue here. I can feel it when I'm, let's see. I really, really like to push down on the edges to make sure that this stays forever. Okay, so then I had like this situation going on here. Okay, let's get that in there. Now I like to use my, oops, get this right up there first. And then I'll use my bone folder to kind of work it in the gutter there. And then roll it on over. So now that's nice and adhered in the gutter. Okay, and then I had this piece here, which I think I'll add, and then this piece can kind of go over it a little bit. So use this. It goes this way. So we'll do the same thing with the gutter. We'll line this up over here first. Take the bone, oops, taking words with me. Oh, might need to break out the baby wipes already. Okay, work this into the gutter, but not too hard because you don't want to rip the paper. Slide it over. Okay. Oops, that corner got folded, but that's okay. It's going to get covered anyways. Okay, so then I had this one up here in this top corner. So let's move on to that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to tell you the story. So the other day, so my husband's in his man cave and Sherman was out there, and normally Sherman's almost always with me, but occasionally he'll venture out and hang out with some of the other family members. And so he's out in the garage in the man cave, and Bob is blasting music and just having a good old time. Bob was my husband, if you don't know. And so the song is on Burning Ring of Fire, and I walk by, he has the door open so I can see, and him and Sherman are dancing, right? Sherman's jumping on his legs and Bob's dancing and he's having a good old time. And I walked in and I go, hey, remember when they played this song during your vasectomy? And it went, and it burns, 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 ring of fire. And oh my God, my husband stopped in his tracks and he looked at me. He's like, yeah, thanks for that. So it's nothing like a wife to just come in and just ruin the moment. Oh my God, I laughed so hard. I was dying. So I was in the room when they did, I'm going to move this up here now, when he had his vasectomy, and this is a true story. So we're sitting there and, you know, he's awake during it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's smoke coming out of your crotch. This is like smoke is like flying up, right? And he gives me this look like, stop, you know, like don't even, because he knows me, right? Like, don't even go there. So then I'm sitting there and the doctor has the radio on really quiet just to kind of keep people like at ease or whatever. And then this Johnny Cash song came on, Burning Ring of Fire. And I start cracking up and I'm like, this is like the worst song to have on during a vasectomy. And the doctor starts cracking up. And I mean, either a vasectomy or giving birth, you know, both have that burning ring of fire. Anyways, it was hilarious. And I'm not kidding you. My husband is the nicest guy ever, but he gave me the biggest death stare I've ever seen in my life. He did not think it was funny at all. And of course, the doctor's laughing, the nurse is laughing, I'm laughing. Okay, you just kind of had to have been there in the moment, but it was so funny. And I'm like, dude, I gave birth. I don't even want to hear it. Okay, I could. Now I just messed everything up because I moved everything around and I had this whole plan. I think maybe I'll just kind of go like this and like this. What do I want to do? I could take, actually, I could take, am I not in frame? I could take this and put it here and just kind of cut off part of it. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so let's glue this. Anyways, funny story. I'm just so mean. Here he is out there in his man cave having a good old time, and I walk in and go, hey, remember when this played during your vasectomy? Yeah, good times. I don't know, it's just payback for, you know, him having to sit back and watch me give birth, I guess. I don't know. So funny. Clearly he didn't think it was as funny as I thought it was, but pretty funny. Okay. Oh no, it looks like there's one of my hairs is in here. Or something. Is it a hair or a wrinkle? I think it's probably one of my hairs. Anybody else shed like crazy? Like my hair is everywhere. It's either my hair or Sherman's hair that's covering me all the time. Especially when I shower. Okay, cut that piece off. I don't need it, so I'm just gonna tuck it away in the recycling. And I have this. I could put right here, but I don't really want to. I think I'll put him up here because I like that. And I like the color too. Okay. I'm so excited to do my first spread in my Gluebook, Big Random Glue Book. Although this one I think I will have more. I'm definitely going to be having more, what do you call it? Themes, I think, in this one. Oh, I don't really want to put that there, but I don't really want to cover this, but I do want to put this here. So, although that defeats the purpose because I'm covering that thing. You know what? I don't really care so much about this motor part. Oh, but it does cover those planes, doesn't it? Decisions. I think I might end up putting this here. But I want to just put it up here. She's flying. I don't really need all the other stuff. Okay, so we'll put this here. Okay, now I do want this here, but how do I want to work this? I think I'll cut off part of this over here. Shoot, I should have done this better because this is like my favorite picture of all of them. And I didn't tear that very good either. Okay. So put that right here. Yeah, that works. I like that. Okay. We'll do that. What's this? That's that little blue piece I might need. Oh, I still have this little guy. Okay. All right. Hold up. All right. So we'll cover this up just a little bit. I don't need the rest of her kitchen. Just need the important stuff. The airplanes. Okay, so now we have that. All right, so then I have does kind of suck that I cover that airplane, but so my options are to put this over here or over here, and I'm gonna have to kind of cover that plane. Okay. I wonder who came up with the mile high like lingo, the name for it. Here we go. Get that all down. Yes, I just licked my finger. I know, but I have to get that glue off, and I have to get it off while it's still sticky. Okay, so we have that. Whew, all right, here comes the fun. Oh yeah, I have this little guy, and I wanted to add him. But where? Maybe I'll just add him up here. Could add him right here. Or like right here. Boom. Should I do that? Should I do that? So I want to add some of these. So I think maybe I'll put this little dude right here. Or I have this guy too. He's pretty rad. Maybe I'll put him like that and this guy right here. Okay. Woo, this is the fun part. This is the accessorizing the page part. I mean, it's all fun. It's all the fun part for me, but this part's really fun. Okay. Let's put this guy here. He didn't land on any cars. Everybody's safe. Good job on the air traffic controller. There we go. Okay, and then this guy we're gonna have like this. Really want to make sure there's no glue on my page, because if I ruin this airplane, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, we have this one, and then we have this book, which doesn't really, I don't know where I'm gonna put that book yet. Oh, and I have this. Maybe I'll put this like that. Ooh, or I could put it over here. Maybe I'll do that. And then I have other words. I do need, let's see. Oh wait, what's this say? We keep you flying. I do like that. Could put that right here. I don't know. Okay. What did I want to do? I think I'm going to add this up here right now, because I am pretty sure about that. Perfect. Okay, that looks cool there. And then I have so many words. I love We Keep You Flying. So I definitely need to add that somewhere. I'll just put it right there. We Keep You Flying. I have this book. I think I'll put that right there. Like that. Okay, and then I have words. Let's see. I have a special delivery. Is this a cookie cutter? We don't need that. There's that G. Not all of these I will use. Ooh, what's it say? Flight time. Okay, we definitely have to use that. Running on fumes is a contender. What's this say? Travel the world one ferry flight at a time. Maybe. The aircraft is half the journey. Okay, that's cool. Unusual, don't need that. 82. Oh God, this was funny. I need to put that up there. Halls and frocks of fame. No. Unique way of life. This. When clouds give way to sun. That's kind of cool. What's it say? Sky next. wing gear up. Okay, so I definitely know I want to use flight time. I kind of like this when clouds give way. I don't know why I want to put this here, just because it was so funny because it was in that magazine. So I'm going to do that. It probably won't make sense to anybody unless they watch the other video. But it'll make sense to me. Okay, so let's put that there. Actually, I think I'm going to move this over a ways. There we go. Okay, and then I have special delivery. I think I'll just put that up there. Get in there. Okay, special delivery. And then I have the aircraft is half the journey. I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, let's see, flight time. Put that right there, right here, flight time. Okay, and then I have traveling the world one ferry flight at a time. Okay, I don't like all the white on here. All right. Traveling the world, one. Okay, this is, there we go. That'll go down there. And then I have gear up. Gear up right there. And then I have wing. Oops. Wing, and then I have sky next, which is meh. Okay. Just put that there. And then when clouds give way to sun, I still really like this. I think I'll put that up there. When clouds give way to sun. Love that. Okay. I do still have this dude and I really like it. So I think I'm just going to put this down here because that's just a little building and stuff. Who cares about that? Not me. Put that right there. So Bud said that this little head would look cute on an animal, but oh my God, I'm putting him. So I was going to put this duck because, you know, it's like a bird, but there's like no place to put him. And then I have this dog, but that wouldn't fit. So I think I'm just going to put his head on that chick. And by chick, not a bird chick. We'll just get it because she's a chick, like a bird. There she goes. Special delivery. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da. That's awesome. Okay, so let's see if I have... Oh, I do still have this too. Could put that right. No. No. Right here. No, I don't like that. Okay, what else do I have? Unique way of life. What does this say? Eagle Jet International. No. Confidence is earned. I think I'm going to put that there just so this isn't by itself. Kind of anchors it down a little bit. Okay, confidence is earned. Put that there. Take this little 18. It means nothing except for it's a number and I like it. And I'm just going to put it right there. Let's make a little collage poo. And then, what's this say? Sign off. I could put sign off right here. Sign off. And then cookie cutter, unusual. Okay, my neighbor has just showed up with like 3 different cars. Or maybe that's his brother. I don't know. Running on fumes. Do I want that? We'll just put it right here. Oops. There we go. Running on fumes. I still do have this. No. I feel weird not adding this, so I'm going to add it. There we go. We'll just add that there. Okay. A unique way of life. Unusual. I do still have this. Nah. I do have this 82. I think I'm gonna put that 82 right there because then that'll just hide that little wing that I covered so you don't know that I covered up part of an airplane. Okay, let's put that there. All right, I think this is good. I think we're done. Okay, let's put a lid on this. I have very little stuff left over. I do still have these glasses, which are really cool, but I think I'll incorporate these into something else. And then I had cut out these 2 pieces of blue because I wasn't sure if I would need them for like a filler. And then I have just a couple words left, and they don't really pertain to this anyways, like cookie cutter, unique, yada yada. Okay, so let's do an up close. This looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird to like hold this book up close because it's so light compared to my big random, because this is my first entry, 2021. All right, there we go, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like that it goes on this kind of chick and not a bird chick, because I couldn't find one that fits, and I think that's hilarious. So I hope you guys all have a great week. Let's make the best of it. Today is a great day to have a great day, so let's do that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.